With a constant rise in the number of industries, the growth of transportation, especially heavy transportation services, has also increased. Keeping in mind this exponential rise, there are many transportation companies that offer heavy weightlifting vehicles for industries. The best transportation company needs to have a wide range of vehicles capable of lifting heavy weights, a licensed partner with insurance, a bunch of experienced and skilled drivers to manage these heavy loads. Transportation needs have also increased with the rise in the number of industries in Australia. Many industries, like public construction sites, residential and commercial construction sites, etc., require a reliable transportation partner. We provide transport service for all needs. We have a mixed fleet of crane trucks and vehicles for all different types of projects. Like crane trucks, flatbed trucks, semi-trucks, and semi-crane trucks. On the Move Transport provides a premier mobile crane truck hire and truck transport service to support your business. For more info and latest update, visit our website.